In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save time with Asana project templates. Whether you're managing a team or just staying ahead of your own schedule, Asana's project templates are a fantastic way to streamline your process and save valuable time. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how you can effectively use these templates. First, open Asana in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your email address to access your account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, type in your password and hit Login. These steps will bring you to your Asana homepage, the starting point for creating and managing your projects. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you need to do is create a project. Start by navigating to the section where you can create a new project. Once you've done this, look for the Actions drop-down menu. Here you'll find the Save as Template option, which will allow you to save your newly created project for future use. After choosing to save your project as a template, you'll find yourself in the privacy settings. This is where you can decide who can access and modify your template. You have the option to allow anyone in your team to edit the template. Alternatively, you can set permissions so that anyone in your team can use the template without making alterations to it. Choose the option that best suits your team's needs. Once you've set the desired permissions, click on Create Template. This action finalizes the process, turning your project into a reusable template. After this step, you'll need to hit Done to complete the setup. To locate your newly created template, go back to your workspace in Asana. In the My Workspace section, click on All Work. This will bring up a list of all the projects and templates associated with your workspace. Navigate to the Templates section and you'll see your project template listed there. If you need to make changes or updates to your template, you can easily do so by clicking on it and selecting the Edit option. Once you've made your changes, remember to press Done to save any adjustments. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully created a time-saving project template in Asana. Not only does this feature enhance your productivity, but it also ensures that you and your team are always working efficiently with a consistent structure. Implementing project templates can truly revolutionize the way you manage tasks and projects in Asana. Thanks for watching and happy templating.